This video will give you a basic overview of the logistics of receiving pipe by barge. Each day starts with a documented toolbox meeting. These toolbox meetings are to ensure the safety of our employees. Safety concerns, hazards, and best practices are discussed. Then we complete a pre-job safety checklist. Pre-job safety checklists are used to ensure all the appropriate tools and required equipment is accessible and in working condition, all required PPE is available, and that all job hazards are addressed. Standard personal protective equipment, or PPE, is required. This consists of an orange vest, fall protection gear, hard hats, steel-toe footwear, and safety glasses. Additional PPE requirements will be noted on pre-job safety checklists. We inspect the rigging equipment and straps and remove defective equipment from service. We inspect tag lines and make sure they're the right length, and also make sure that there are no knots or defects. We make sure that a ring buoy is at the dockside for safety. And we secure catwalk access to the barge. We use a ladder to enter and exit the barge, so fall protection is required. We make sure that a barricade is set up for the swing radius of the equipment. The barge receiving process begins with notification of receiving pipe. This ensures that the proper pipe is being offloaded. Then we verify the pipe count. With barge receiving, a signalman is required. His responsibilities are to ensure that personnel are safe and clear from overhead loads. And he uses an established code of hand signals to authorize the equipment operator to move the pipes from barge to land. To start offloading, we insert pipe hooks in the ends of the pipe, making sure to always have the hooks or slings to the left or right of the body, never between the legs. We then wait for the proper signal from the signalman. Then the equipment operator moves the pipes from the barge to land. Tag lines are used to guide pipe to the rack. We never position pipe by holding onto the pipe hooks. Once the pipe is settled on the rack, we unhook the pipe ends. Finally, we inspect the pipe for damage. The area foreman is notified if damage occurs, so that the damage can be properly documented and corrected. Here are a few final notes regarding the logistics of receiving pipe by barge. Make sure and keep the work areas clean, and ensure that proper housekeeping is maintained throughout the day to keep a clean, safe work environment. We require a cleanup at the end of each shift, and we make sure that no trash ever hits the ground. This concludes our training on the logistics of receiving pipe by barge. If you have any other questions, please make sure and ask the yard manager or area foreman.